Three reasons why Pakistan is important for Central Asia. Central Asia is a region in Asia which stretches from the Caspian Sea in the west to China and Mongolia in the east, and from Afghanistan and Iran in the south to Russia in the north. It includes former Soviet republics of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. Central Asian countries such as Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan are showing great interest in getting close to Pakistan. Pakistan is an important Asian country which also shares a common history, religion, and culture with these countries. But why are Central Asian countries so keen to come closer to Pakistan when American withdrawal is taking place in Afghanistan? Why has Pakistan become so important for them? I think following are three reasons Pakistan is important for Central Asia. Number 1. To export its natural resources. Central Asian region is landlocked but very rich in natural resources such as coal, iron, and natural gas. However, the region has not been able to recognize its full economic potential due to landlockedness. As per an estimate, the average GDP of landlocked economies is hardly 57% of the maritime neighbors, with 10% higher cost of shipping. Therefore, it needs a land route to export its energy resources to the outside world. This is where Pakistan will serve as a gateway to Central Asia. TAPI is the best example of this relationship, where Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India are working together on a $10 billion worth gas pipeline project. Number 2. Economic benefits. With CPEC underway, Pakistan hopes to become a regional economic and strategic player in the near future. It is a known fact that a considerable amount of international trade is carried out through sea routes. CPEC's Gwadar port is going to be pivotal for the cars to reach the pinnacle of economic success. These Central Asian countries will use the warm waters of Gwadar port to facilitate their marine trade with South Asia, Middle East, and Africa. The trade from Gwadar port to Kars will reduce the distance to 50% as compared to the distance from Iran, and freight charges less by around 30%. Increased trade activities with Kars will generate more jobs, increase tax collections because of the increase in the volume of goods. This way, Kars would gain global competitiveness in both regional and global markets. Number 3. Important player in the Afghanistan peace process. Security and stability are very crucial in Afghanistan for it to facilitate the access of Central Asian states to the wider South Asia. Pakistan has been diligently working to resolve the political tensions in Afghanistan to establish stronger trade ties with the Central Asian states who intend at enhancing cooperation in an integrated region of shared destiny and development. For example, Pakistan, as per its diplomatic initiative, has been working hard with Troika Plus to develop a consensus on the right way forward for Afghanistan. The close political relationship between Central Asian countries and Pakistan would bring huge benefits for the region. However, all the major stakeholders must make sure that there should be no active terrorist groups in the region, as they can badly damage the regional economic progress and prosperity.